Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to export Power BI report to PowerPoint. Share slides fast. Have you ever been in a situation where you've spent hours perfecting your Power BI report and now you need to share it in a presentation? The challenge is to quickly and efficiently integrate those rich data visuals into your PowerPoint slides. Well, today, I'm going to show you an incredibly straightforward method to export your Power BI report directly into PowerPoint with just a few clicks. By the end of this guide, you'll be exporting like a pro, effortlessly blending your data with your presentations and saving yourself a ton of time and stress. Let's jump right into it. The first step is to open up Power BI on your computer. If you're new to Power BI, make sure you're in the main dashboard and looking at the specific report you intend to export. This is crucial because the export process only works seamlessly when you're dealing with the correct report from the get-go. So, if you're uncertain about which file you need, take a moment to double-check. You definitely don't want to make the mistake of exporting the wrong report. Now, once you're in the right file, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the File menu. Go ahead and click on it. The File menu is essentially the nerve center for Power BI. It's where you manage all your key functions, like saving, publishing, and exporting your work. Consider it the main gateway for all your file operations within the application. Inside the File menu, look for the Publish option. This step is what elevates your report from being merely a local file on your computer to being available online via the Power BI cloud service. If you've never done this before, don't worry. It's a simple process. You only need to publish if your report isn't already in your Power BI workspace online. When you're ready, click on Publish to Power BI. A prompt will appear asking you to save your report. This is just a precaution to ensure no changes are lost. Even if you're confident you saved recently, it's always wise to save again here. Trust me, frequent saving is a habit that can save you from losing precious work. After saving, you'll be prompted to name your report. Choose a name that is both clear and descriptive, so it's easy to recognize later. For instance, you could name it something like Sales Dashboard May or Marketing Overview Q2. Clear naming can save you a lot of hassle down the road. Once you've named your file, confirm the save one more time. Now, Power BI will ask you where you'd like to publish this file. Select My Workspace. My Workspace is your personal, private area within Power BI Online. It's a secure starting point, ensuring that only you or the people you invite can access the report. You'll notice a small progress bar indicating the publishing process. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your report, this might take a few moments. Don't worry if it takes a bit longer. That just means your report is rich with data. Once you receive the success message, you'll see a prompt or a link to open the report in Power BI's web version. Click on Open in Power BI. This grants you access to all the amazing cloud-based features, including the ability to export to PowerPoint. Now that your report is open online, look towards the top menu bar for an Export button. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, select PowerPoint. And there you have it. Power BI will automatically create a PowerPoint file with your report visuals on each slide. Depending on your data size, this might take a minute or two, but soon you'll have a fully formatted presentation ready to share. And that's how you can effortlessly export a Power BI report to PowerPoint in just a few clicks. If this walkthrough was helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. That's it for this tutorial on how to export Power BI report to PowerPoint. Share slides fast. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.